Here's an interesting add-on for Google Forms and Google Sheets. It's called Mastery Quiz, and you can get here by going to the Google Workspace Marketplace and searching Mastery Quiz, or you can just search in Google Mastery Quiz add-on. Mastery Quiz will look at over here in the spreadsheet for this assignment right here. Once installed, I can go to Add-ons, Mastery Quiz, and the first time before you're actually on an assignment in the spreadsheet, you'll have a button that says Start right here. Once you press that button, it will ask you to find the form that you would like to use and choose what Google Classroom you would like to create this assignment for. It will auto-populate this information with your students and how many questions are in your form and things like that. I'm able to adjust how many questions I want my quiz to be. So I could do 6, I could do 8, 10, I could do up to as many as there are. But let's say I choose 10. I can also choose which is going to be the mastery score right here for them to pass. So I could change this to 90% right here. When I'm done, I can press Add-ons Mastery Quiz and press Create GC Assignment and create this assignment with the Google form in there. Students are going to take this form and it's going to randomly choose from my question bank 10 questions for all my students. So the likelihood that each student gets the same quiz is going to be highly unlikely. Students will take the quiz. I will be able to see their status right here, whether they've completed it, and I'll be able to see the different scores right here. For students who score less than my mastery goal, I'm able to give them some reteaching, and then I could choose to just quickly send this form out to them again, and they won't be able to move on to, let's say, the next task until they achieve mastery. So this can be great for quiz retakes. Sometimes if you have a variety of questions that you want students to answer, but you don't need them to answer all of them, this can be good for that as well. It can be mostly beneficial for formative assessment and trying to get students to just do a little bit, see where they're at. I would say if you're going to use it for a summative assessment, you would want maybe to use fewer questions, maybe 5 questions, but you would want to have a variety of questions in your bank that are similar. So you might want to have 10 questions just phrased differently, maybe different choices for the same goal or learning target, and students would only be given 5 of those. So this is a handy tool to kind of help students continue growing in their learning and achieving mastery.